This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Matt Herrick. Prepare to be wowed by this practically brand new gem conveniently located just minutes away from bases, beaches, shopping, and entertainment. Boasting 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a spacious open floor plan with 10-foot slot ceilings, this home exudes modern elegance. With energy-efficient features and low-maintenance living, you'll enjoy both comfort and savings. Plus, ample guest parking at the rear of the home makes hosting a breeze. The owner is putting the finishing touches on this beauty with professional carpet cleaning and painting. Seller prefers a rent-back option post-closing, but it's not a requirement. For more information, review the details below or contact Matt Herrick at 757-63